Hello everyone, I'm Prabin Hirachan and today I'm here to show you guys the Samsung 860 EVO SSD unboxing. And besides doing trial video and tutorial video, this is my first video on unboxing. Speaking honestly, I've never done this before. Since I've decided to upgrade my MacBook Pro, it's here. It's late 2011 model. Since I've decided to upgrade this, so I thought why not making some tutorial video for you guys. So let's begin the Samsung 860 EVO SSD unboxing.
Nowadays, SSD is more popular than hard drive because it makes your PC or laptop 10 times faster and reliable and takes the performance to the next level.
So here in my hand, it's Samsung 860 EVO 1TB SSD. Solid state drive can perform really fast than regular spinning hard drive like this one in my hand. And it's a metal cover. It works like 1980s record player, and it spin and read really slow. And in other hand, SSD works like a memory in your smartphone. It's really ultra fast. So let's begin our unboxing on Samsung 860 EVO 1TB SSD.
Samsung EVO 860 SSD is the new upgraded version of the previous most popular Samsung EVO 850 model, and this comes in black box with Samsung SSD drive image and Samsung branding logo on it. Also written the series name and capacity. This SSD is powered by vertical NAND technology with SATA-III GPS interface, and this SSD that makes the difference. And on the back side of the box, there's nothing special but a 5-year of Samsung limited warranty. This SSD is made in Korea. And if you wish to buy this product, I have dropped the description and link below. So let's cut the box seal. Inside the box, it comes with two things, one user guide and the next is the SSD itself. On the front side is the brand name Samsung Solid State Drive, and on the next side, this is the SATA-III GPS connection and SATA power connecting port. And on the side of the SSD, there are 4 screw holes along with 4 sides to install in any direction. This Samsung 860 EVO is specially designed for mainstream PCs and laptop with the latest VNAND technology and a robust algorithm-based controller. This fast and reliable SSD comes in a wide range of compatible form factor and capacities. Speed are more consistent even with the heavy workload and multitasks. The 860 EVO performs at sequential write up to 520 MB per second with intelligent turbo write technology, and sequential read up to 550 MB.
That was it. I hope this video was helpful, and on the next video I will show you guys the MacBook Pro upgrade. I'll upgrade this MacBook Pro. It's my late 2011 model. I'll upgrade it with 16 GB RAM, 1TB SSD and 1TB hard disk. Till then, see you. Sayonara.